History of Yoga. Yoga was originated and practiced by the Bharat sages. 6000 years in the past, India was called Bharat since Ba in Sanskrit means knowledge and Rat means engrossed. The place where people raised and engaged in knowledge live in Bharat. Benefits of yoga at physical level. It helps one in the development of stamina, endurance and physical strength when needed. At mental level, it imparts calmness, peacefulness, harmony and content. At the spiritual level, it leads to increased concentration, thoughtfulness and positivity in life. Surya Namaskara. Surya Namaskara is one of the most important yoga practice. It is the set of 12 yoga poses. Surya Namaskara is sometimes translated as the external salutations to the sun. Surya means sun, Namaskar means salutations. Surya Namaskara position, Namaskarasana. Ardhachandrasana. Padahastasana. Asvachanchalasana. Parvatasana. Ashtanga Namaskarasana. Sarpasana. Parvatasana. Asvachanchalasana. Padahastasana. Ardhachandrasana. Namaskarasana. Benefits of Surya Namaskarasana. It increases the flexibility, improves the concentration, it helps in the good digestion. Standing asanas. Tadasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Benefits of Tadasana. Improve your posture, may help increase height, boost energy levels. Vrikshasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Benefits of Vrikshasana. Improves balance and stability in the legs, strengthen the ligaments and tendons of the feet, assist the body in establishing pelvic stability. Trikonasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Move on to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Benefits of the Trikonasana. It strengthens the knees, ankles, legs, chest and arms. It completely stretches and open up the groins, hips, hamstring and also the chest, spine and shoulders. It increases both physical and mental stability. It improves digestion and stimulates all the abdominal organs. Utkatas. 1, 2, 3, 4. Benefits of Utkatasana: strengthen the thigh and calf muscles. Sitting asanas. Vajrasana. 1, 2, 3. Benefits of the Vajrasana: makes joints and ligaments strong as well as flexible. Stimulates the functions of the kidneys, liver and pancreas. Kapalabhati. You have to do the Kapalabhati 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Benefits of the Kapalabhati: it helps in good digestion. Ustrasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Benefits of the Ustrasana: reduces fat and thighs, open up the hips, stretching deep hip flexors, the abdominal region, improving digestion and elimination. Bhujangasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Benefits of the Bhujangasana: strengthens the spine, stretches chest and lungs, shoulders and abdomen, tones the buttocks, stimulates abdominal organs, helps relieve stress and fatigue. Chakrasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Benefits of the Chakrasana: the chest expands and lungs get more oxygen, especially beneficial for the asthma patients. Sharpen eyesight. This asana helps to strengthen the back and increase the elasticity of the spine. Dandasana. 1, 2, 3. Benefits of the Dandasana: helps improve the posture, strengthen back muscle, strengthens and stretches the spine, stretches shoulders and chest. Padmasana. Count number 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale. While you are doing exhale, chant Om. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Open your eyes slowly. Benefits of the Padmasana: stretches the ankles and knees, helps to develop good posture, helps to keep joints and ligaments flexible. Brahmari Pranayama: sit in the Sukhasana position. Close your eyes, keep your thumb on your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out, humming sound. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Remove your hands. Improves concentration and memory, helps in paralysis, effective for insomnia patient, instant way to relieve tension, anger and anxiety. You are going for Anulom and Vilom. Take your position. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale completely. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Sit in Sukhasana. Inhale. Exhale. Breathing process, you have to continue. Spine erect. Concentrate on breathing. Benefits of Dhyana: removes anxiety, anger and irritability. It relieves stress and calms your mind. Follow the pledge.
I commit myself
to remain in a
balanced state of mind
balanced state of mind
all the time.
all the time.
It is in this state of mind
It is in this state of mind
that my development
that my development
reaches its greatest possibility.
reaches its greatest possibility.
I commit to do
I commit to do
my duty to self,
my duty to self,
family,
family,
at
at
work,
work,
to society,
to society
and to the world
and to the world
for the promotion of peace,
peace,
health,
health
and harmony.
and harmony.
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah,
Sarve bhavantu sukhinah,
sarve santu niramaya,
sarve santu niramaya,
sarve bhadrani pashyantu,
sarve bhadrani parsyantu,
ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet.
ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.